Such a relief.
I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
Angela Jordan, spectacular vocalist, spectacular singer. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my content. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning viewer because of Angela Jordan reaction, welcome back. So right now guys, I'm going to react to Angela Jordan, I Have Nothing. So let's take a walk on the journey with me to see how well she can perform this, because this song was from Whitney Houston and she's doing a performance of this song. So let's go into it. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican and we're gonna spread the wings to go to see who can do it best at a different country other than us. Remember, let us the next gen, we're the next generation of dancehall. Without further ado, let us jump into the Angela Jordan reaction now.
Share my life, take for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much.
I gotta say, excellent voice, excellent performance. She's doing well thus far. Let us see if she can able to overfill my cup after hearing her voice.
Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow.
Is she the original Whitney Houston? Because she does sound exactly like Whitney Houston. Wow, she got talent.
I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. But don't make me
Woo!
close from a door.
Wow.
I don't wanna hurt anymore.
Yeah, this bring me back memories with Whitney Houston's original song. If I never know Whitney Houston's song and I heard she sing it, then Whitney Houston gonna come right back to my mind. Trust me, she's good.
Stay in my arms if you're there, or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me, no. I have nothing, if I don't have you.
Damn! Wow. I love how she just go up like that with the pitch and go down like a bar. I love that.
If I don't have you, you see, no, right through the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love.
I think I'm in love now. Yes, I'm in love right now.
I never knew love that I known it whether you're where the memories survive. Oh, one I can hold on to. I don't really need to
Yeah, she's good. 10. Perfect 10. She's good. Perfect 10. You see, with Angelina now, she got the talent, she got the vocals, she got the pitch, she got the voice. I think she can perform. I think she can sing any song from any different particular person. Once she can sing, then she can able to do well.
I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever, but don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore.
Such a relief. Whew. Very good.
Stay in my arms if you dare. I must die imagine you there. Don't walk away from me, no. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close from a door.
Damn girl, can you marry me? I will marry her. I would like to.
I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. I must die imagine you there. Don't walk away from me.
Well, I gotta say, it's not easy for someone to sing or Whitney Houston song with such high notes and such low notes like Whitney Houston did. She mastered it. I think they should give her the props that she deserves.
Don't you dare walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you.
Ooh.
If I
Yeah.
don't have you.
Yeah.
If I
Yeah. She did excellent. I gotta say, she did excellent. Another one well done by Angelina Jordan. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about her performance, what you think about my reaction. I think I should go or even more harder next time. Thank you so much for watching, people. I love you all. Love from Jamaica. Spread the love. Yeah, I'm out.